We've had another big tank set day today. The 2 thick stillage tanks that we received from Cleveland Welding, that's our byproduct coming off of the distillation process. Once the beer passes through the beer still, it's pumped out back into the thick stillage tanks. The thick stillage tanks sitting right about 2 of them at right at 30,000 gallons each. Excellent looking trash cans. Definitely making us look much more like a distillery now that we got these tanks set on the west end. Another milestone in the progress and just continuing to work towards opening day.